materials needed are yarn and a 3.5 mm hook. Start by making chains of 36 inches. Using your tape rule, stretch your chains to 36 inches, like so. Skip one, single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in each of the stitches, single crochet all the way for round 1. Join round 1 with slip stitch. For round 2, chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in the 5th stitch. Chain 8 again. Skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in the 5th stitch. Chain 8. Skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in the 5th stitch. Continue working this pattern till you get to the end of round 2. To end round 2, chain 8, 6, 7, 8. Skip 4 and single crochet in the 5th stitch. So chain 8 again. Doesn't matter even if you have more than 2 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and work single crochet in your chain 8 space this time around. So for your round 3, we'll be working in rounds, so keep working chain 8 and single crochet in chain 8 space. So only single crochet in your chain 8 space, chain 8 again, single crochet in your chain 8 space. Keep doing that till you end your round 3. You don't have to, there's no slip stitch here, so you just keep working around. There's no place where you're going to insert a slip stitch. You just keep going round and round till you get to your desired length. So close up this starting point and slip stitch. If you have extra yarn left, you can chain 1 again to make it tight and firm. So that's how to close up the first round. So you keep working in rounds till you get your desired length. So I have 32 rounds already. If you can't really figure out how to count your rounds, this is your beginning stitch, so you keep counting from here. This serves as your round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you keep counting till you have, just make sure that at that point you keep tracing it up up till you get to the end of your round. Using mine as an example, this is my starting point, so I'm going to keep tracing it, keep tracing it, keep tracing it up to this, probably up to this point, and you can see that I've gone far. So I'm going to like reduce it. I'm going to lose it up to this extent, and at this point, this is where I make my slip stitch instead of single crochet. So just slip stitch, chain 1 and cut off. I want to start adding the straps. The best method to go about this is to place it on your mannequin instead of just like guessing. You turn it to the back and you mark the point where you want to place your stitch markers. Now work 100 chains inside this chain 8 space. Remove your stitch marker, weave in your ends and trim. You can decide to stop project here or move a little bit further by adding this beautiful flower appliques, which is what we'll be doing right now. I have different types of appliques that you can add to your mesh dresses or projects, so I'm going to include the link to the flower appliques in my description box.